Joe Meadow with the VA Mortgage Soldier, here to talk about additional entitlement. Now, the total amount of entitlement, how you figure that out is you take your area's guarantee for Alabama, that's going to be $453,100. You're going to divide that by 4 or multiply it times a decimal of 0.25. That's going to give you the max loan insurance eligibility that you're going to get from the VA. Now, the VA guarantees 25% of your mortgage amount. So what the VA is guaranteeing on a $453,100 loan is $113,275. This allows a lender to lend 100% of the mortgage because the VA is actually taking all the risk out for the lender. So that's the way it works. Now, for someone that has currently a VA mortgage that started at $180,000, that person still has entitlement left. So we're going to figure out how much entitlement they've used so far. So for this example, this veteran bought a $180,000 house and he used about $45,000 worth of his entitlement. Okay, we got that number by multiplying it by a decimal of 0.25 or 25%. Now that $45,000, in order to figure out how much eligibility you have left, you need to subtract it from your total amount of eligibility. That's the $113,275. So $113,275 total eligibility minus eligibility used, $45,000. The veteran still has $68,245 in eligibility left. Now, how does he translate that into a loan amount? Well, it's simple. You take the $68,245, you multiply it by 4, and this veteran has $273,100 in additional eligibility. So this veteran today, if he has reason to, can buy a $270,000 house and keep his old house that's $180,000 on a VA mortgage. So for this example, this veteran can absolutely have 2 VA mortgages. This is Joe Meadow with the VA Mortgage Soldier.